right, so you're welcome to the worst buyers for the markets, and this is the first we are doing this week because the market appears to have just been not so certainly clear in what direction. So the best option would have been to stay away, which actually we did on our end. But today is Wednesday, 28th of February. The month is almost wrapping up already. So let's quickly look at what we should be expecting. This is AUDUSD. I think this is one of the few instruments that appear to be giving direction right now. Because if you notice, today is Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, the market was just ranging. So it just broke out this morning. And so based on what has just happened this morning, AUDUSD has given some direction. And so we can now run the analysis for AUDUSD for using our FIBO levels. And we are going to run it based on the fall from around here. If we want to extend it to this place, we may have to wait a little longer, but then you can make your choice. But let's run it from here, or even from the high of this week. So from the high of this week, I think that will be better for us. So based on that, we will now be expecting price to retrace to around 0.65412. And when that happens, we will be making our sell limit entry around here, which is around 50% retracement, and there's a confluence with the daily pivot point for today, Wednesday. So that's where we'll be making, putting our pending order sell limit. And our first TP, we're going to, let me quickly see if I can pick something out of that. Okay, we'll have our first TP giving us like 20 pips. Well, our first TP will be around here, 25 pips. Okay, around 25 and 6 pips. So that's where our first TP will be, which is the 100% retracement. And then our second TP will be at the main target, which is 161.8 retracement level at 0.64842. So you can just see the signal on the screen. All right, next will be the NZDUSD. And for NZDUSD, the same thing has happened, right? And I think too it's best we pick it also from the high of the week. Okay, here. Okay, so based on that also, we may not have exactly what we had with the AUDUSD because our 50% retracement level is around here and there's no confluence anywhere around it. So we could be looking at entry between 0.61485 and 38.2 retracement, which is at 0.61592. And when we do that, first TP, if we use the low level entry, will be 20 pips around 0.61285. Okay, and then that's the third support level because he has broken all the support levels for the day already. And the second TP will be here, which is around 45 pips, while the third TP will now be here. So you can check it out on the screen. All right, let's see another instrument, rather EURUSD. And for EURUSD, the market is still a bit confused. Perhaps we have to leave EURUSD and GBPUSD because though they want to show, they are showing some bearish signs, they will probably have to wait for something major, a major news to move the two instruments, either from the US or from any of the two countries or the two zones. All right, so but for GBPJPY, GBPJPY have a good, so in fact, for GBPJPY, you will be looking at where do I enter from? Where do I plot from here or from here or from here? You get that? So, but if we want to take it from here, which is from around Thursday last week, the low of Thursday last week, we probably will be looking at entry around here. And price has only tested that place. That's 190.585. Okay, so we could still wait for there and to see wait for it around there and see if price will retrace back to 190.585, which is the 50% retracement, and there's a bit of confidence there with this middle support level. All right, so we take it there, and of course our stop loss should be somewhere around here, and our first TP will have to be, in fact, it needs to beat the daily pivot points around here. That's around 21 pips. It has to beat it first. So we'll take our first TP there. Then second TP can now be here, and third TP here. Then before it now start dragging to go for is it first, second, third, and fourth, and fifth, and perhaps sixth TP up to here, which if at all it will get there. But then you know that there's no height, there's no depth that the market or price cannot get to. So that's for GBPJPY. Check out the signals on the screen. And for EURJPY, the same thing that applies to GBPJPY applies to it also. You can take it from here, even from here, or from here. Okay, which is based on the low for this week on Monday. All right, so based on that, price is at 50% retracement already. So here is a good place to actually buy 163.139, and our stop loss is somewhere around here, while our first TP is going to be somewhere around here. So you can check the screen for the signal there and make your entry. If you can see it, if it's still there while you're watching, or if it has passed, or because it might still drag itself down there. Remember that some news will come up. All right, so first TP around here 20 pips, second TP around here 34, 35 pips, and then third TP somewhere here 59, 66 pips, and then you can then check out the others. So that's it for the instruments we've just mentioned. We have done how many? AUDUSD, NZDUSD, EURJPY, and GBPJPY. So that's 4 instruments. For EURUSD and GBPUSD, well, for now, we are still checking. All right, so from all of us at Pipsoclock, we want to wish you a very profitable trading day. See you next time.